Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
Go through that math that you did on the first break, where you were talking about, 5 units of water that the city of Phoenix allocates per home, up to 8 in the summertime, and you had some math there that I thought was really helpful.
Yeah, so during the summer months, City of Phoenix is allotting 8 units of water. As I said, 748 gallons per unit comes to just under 6,000 gallons of water per month. So bottom line is, on an average home, if you're using more than 6,000 gallons of water, you're surpassing the monthly allotment. And in the wintertime, 5 units of water, which it's not an even 6 and 6 split. It's like 5 and 7, give or take. But in the wintertime, it's 5, totaling 3,740 gallons of water. So you really need to watch and make adjustments through summer and winter, and most notably, Romy, to your irrigation. One of the biggest things we find is that the landscape companies and or the homeowner who's doing their own yard is not changing that landscape timer from winter to summer or summer to winter, okay? If you keep a summer schedule year-round, you are wasting water in your yard in the winter months, for sure.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.